Welcome to the first in a series of videos about a tool that you can use in your classroom to teach basic numeracy skills. The Rekenrek. Having a good sense of what numbers are and understanding the relationships between them is the bedrock underpinning all of mathematics in primary education. Pupils need to be able to master counting, supertising, which means recognising groups of objects, say 3 objects, without having to count them individually, knowing one more and one less, and knowing their number bonds, especially their number bonds to 10. Children who fail to master the basic skills are likely to struggle with mathematics and can get left behind as they go up the school. The Rekenrek is a simple arithmetic rack that looks similar to a small abacus but is definitely not an abacus, and it was invented by Adrian Treffers from the Frudental Institute in the Netherlands. It can help children visualise number relationships and operations. It's designed with a row of 10 beads, 5 red and 5 white, and then there's 2 of those rows, and it helps children to think in groups of 5 and in groups in 10, which helps them with their supertising skills. So to get the children counting, you can just count the beads one by one, making sure that you say 1, 2, 3, as you do so. As the beads are on this rack, it's less messy. You don't have to worry about counters and making sure every child in the class has got enough. You know that every child has got 20 because there are 2 groups of 10 on the rack. You can also count in 2s, 4, 6, and you can count in 5s, 5, 10, 15, and so on. Where it really comes into its own though is when it comes to supertising, because what you can do is you can say to the children, I don't want you to count, you're past that, you're too old for that now. I want you to just push 3 across, and the child pushes it across with 1 push. You can also say, I want you to push 6 across, and a child should, once they get used to the fact that there's 5 red beads, they know 6 is 1 more. They can push 6 across like that. Because it's multi-sensory, the Rekenrek is really good for getting children to sort of feel the numbers as well as count the numbers and see the numbers. So it's a really nice way of introducing children to what numbers are. They cost about, I think, well, this one's from Hope, and you can get them from all sorts of educational suppliers. They cost, I think, if I remember rightly, it cost us £6 per Rekenrek. So not too bad, but you can get big ones for teachers' demonstration. You can get online versions, which I will show in later videos. You can use this for much more than I've shown you. I'm going to show in later videos how you can use them to show addition, for example, subtraction, number bonds to 10. That's all going to come in later videos. So if you like this, do subscribe so you can see when my later videos come out.